What's up, guys? This is Alex. It is 6/4/2016, June 4th. It's a Saturday, at about what would be about market close. Today, I've just been doing a lot of research and a lot of studying, which is very important if you want to be a successful trader. There are no weekends off, and there's no break. When you're trying to do big things, you got to make a commitment, step up, and do some studying, where you are going to be in the red. Okay. So what I'm going to be making this video on is scanning for midday breakouts, which is new highs in the penny stock market. As you all know, I love penny stocks. It's pretty much my passion besides medicine. And, I am very, very confident in this scanning process during trading hours as well as extended hour scanning. So what we're going to be doing is using Thinkorswim once again. You can set it up for free for 60 days. You just have to set up a brokerage account, and then thereafter the 60 days, you just need a minimum balance, or you can set up a additional one. But I do all my scans through this platform. I love it, and I don't, I'm not endorsing them, but I'm a very, very big supporter of Thinkorswim. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is going to the main platform screen. What you'll get at the main platform screen is a tab for scan. When you hover over that scan, you want to select Stock Hacker. Okay. Now, Stock Hacker, it's a big scanning platform that you can set up, customize, and personalize to your needs. So what we're going to be doing again is looking for midday extended hour breakouts past the highs of a 56-day period. You can also customize it to be more or less than that 56-day period, but I do recommend that. So once you're in that module, you want to select Scan In. We're going to be doing Category. Now, this is important. You want to select All Optionable. Why All Optionable? Because they are more volatile, there's more volume coming in, and more interest from the overall market. So what you want to do when you select All Optionable, you're going to have 4 different columns for this personalized process. The first one being percent change. Okay, percent change. It's the very bottom selection. Now, sorry about that, guys. What you want to do when you select percent change is get a nice little make sure you put a plus 1.5% in there. Once you do that, you go down to the second option. This second option will be volume. Okay, you just want to, because if you try to enter it manually, it won't work. You want to press 5 clicks up to 500,000. That'll get you a nice consensus on the volume coming in, and won't have it in volatile stock that will just sit there and be more dangerous than what is a range above 500,000 for the period. Okay, so the third one's going to be a nice little last price. Okay, so at the last price, you want about, the minimum will be about, I like to set 13 cents, 13.5. That's just my personalized preference, but you can set it as $1, you can set it as 50 cents, whatever you personally prefer like to trade. Okay, now the max I like to set at $10. That'll get you a nice little penny stock range. If you want to set it at 20, there's a larger range. You can even, I'll set it at 15 for this process, because there have been a lot of stocks in the $10 to $15 range that have broken out in the past week, especially month. So going on to the fourth, you need to not only select a personalized column, but you want to press Add Study Filter. An Add Study Filter, that will give you a nice little customizable preference. Now you want to select this APX crossover here, and you want to press Price Performance, and within the subgroup of Price Performance, you'll get near highs, lows. This is what we're looking for. This is the main frame of the process. So Price Performance, you want to not have it 3%, you want about 2%, and then set that second box as 60. Okay, that'll take out the weekend trading periods and extended hours, give you a nice 56-day range. And you want to do period high. You can also set it as low if you're looking for a rebound or a short trade down to the next level of support. So you want to do day, that's a good one there. And then that's it. That's it for this customized process and scan. Check my other videos for the other different types of scans, but this is for midday and extended hours as well. But this is what I look at and you can set it as a watch list and have them just fluctuate as you look at the market charts. So save scan query. I'm going to save the scan query as new highs slash possible BOs. Okay, so that will set that for you to be accessible at any time. What you want to do next is press scan. Boom. Okay, so you got your whole listing here. A nice listing is that. And you can take this and you double click and then you just press add to scan tutorial. Like, I'll just set it in default. So you can set it in your own personalized watch list, the ones that you find to be, of interest. So just make sure you're looking at the volume. That's crazy volume, but it's also a very inexpensive stock. And then you're looking, this is what I like to stress to most of my students that I mentor. You want to look at a volume range between 500,000 and about 5 million to 8 million. Something like this, you can have Goldman Sachs hedge funds coming in, and different privatized hedge funds that could really do a sell-off and break it down below that a new high level and have it just be a fluctuated stock. So you want to be careful in that, but I do also like this just because the bid size and the ask, that's pretty high for a little penny stock there. So let's set I like to put 10 in my personalized watch list for extended hours, but for midday you can have them pop up on their own and it's automatic. So then you click charts, okay? So let's pull this over here. And you want to press the watch list you're looking for. So personal, default. But for a midday scan, you want to do new highs, possible breakouts, and it will compile the whole list for you automatically and then update it upon the new breakouts. So all you want to do then, I like to set this as a green emblem here, and then you also want to set that keychain as green here. So you'll be able to just go down, so personal, and do the same thing. You want to look at that same watch list, and you have that to your expense. So you can just kind of hit the down arrow on your keyboard, and you can look at these charts. So this is like a nice. So let's go here, and you can look at the different time ranges in which it broke out. So this one, it's just near support. So BVN, that's a good one. I like, but it's still a little tricky in the range that it's at. So this could hit that new. This is where you have to look at the resistance levels and see that it's like 181. See if it will hit that next level of resistance and remain a nice breakout. So then you can just hit the down arrow and look at these charts as the day goes on and see, kind of what's going on with these stocks. So ABEV, AKG, that's a nice one. It's a nice tick up. This is a 3-year chart, so it's pretty substantial in the way it's been able to have long-term growth, as well as being able to break above that nice red candlestick. So this is a great way to implement the day trading breakout watch list, as well as extended hour compilation of your watch list for potential watches into the next day. I love it. This is one of my main kind of watch list scans, and I do suggest this for anyone who is using Thinkorswim. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, kubicwealthmanagement@gmail.com, and I'll be able to help you with any questions or comments regarding this process. Hope you have a great day, have a great weekend, and trade well and prosper.